You understand English, you know many words, but when it's time to speak, your mouth freezes. If this is you, don't skip this video. You know a lot of English words, you understand English videos, you can read English. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Your heart starts beating faster. You feel shy, you feel scared of making mistakes. And you ask yourself one painful question, why can't I speak English, even after studying for so long? If this sounds like you, stay with me. Because today, we fix this problem. First, let me tell you something important. You are not bad at English, you are not stupid, and you are not slow. You are just learning English the wrong way. Most people learn English like a school subject, grammar rules, long word lists, writing exercises. But speaking English is not a subject. Speaking English is a skill. And here is the truth, you don't learn a skill by reading about it. You learn a skill by using it. Think about driving. You can read a book about driving for 10 years. But until you sit in the car and drive, you will never become a driver. English speaking is the same. The biggest mistake learners make is this. They wait to become perfect before speaking. Let me be very clear. You will never feel ready. Never. Fluent speakers were not fluent when they started. They spoke with mistakes. They spoke slowly. They felt embarrassed, but they spoke anyway. Here is the real reason you cannot speak English. You are translating in your head. You think in your native language. Then you try to translate into English. Then you worry about grammar. And by that time, the moment is gone. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. Now you may ask, how do I start thinking in English? Good question. And the answer is simple. Start small, very small. Don't try to speak long sentences. Don't try to sound smart. Instead, speak simple English. For example, instead of saying, I am going to the market because I need to purchase some groceries, say, I'm going to the market. I need food. Simple English is powerful English. Now I want you to do something with me. Say this sentence out loud. I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. One more time. I can speak English. This is not just practice. This is training your mouth. Your mouth needs training, not your notebook. Another big problem is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of people laughing. Fear of sounding stupid. Listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every mistake means you are learning. Every silent moment means you are stuck. Fluent English speakers make mistakes every day. They just don't stop because of them. Here is a daily practice that works. Every day, talk to yourself for 5 minutes in English. Yes, talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone. I'm tired today. At first, it will feel strange, but after a few days, something amazing happens. Your brain starts responding faster. Your words come out easier. Your confidence grows. Another powerful trick is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. Play a short English audio. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it exactly the same way. Repeat again. Repeat again. This trains your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Don't worry about accent. Accent is not important. Clarity is. People don't want perfect English. They want clear English. Now let me tell you a secret. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about comfort. When you feel comfortable speaking, people think you are fluent, even if your English is simple. So stop chasing perfection. Start chasing progress. Speak today. Speak badly. Speak slowly. But speak. Because one day, you will realize something surprising. You are no longer scared. You are no longer translating. You are just speaking. And that is the moment you win. If this video helped you, do one thing for me. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what stops you from speaking English. Remember, you don't need more study. You need more speaking. Start today.